Hi, welcome to this tutorial on how to apply Morello polish to your boots or shoes using the applicator provided in the bottle. You will need a bottle of black Morello polish, and you will also need a bottle of pre-cleaner and bonding agent. Before we can work on these shoes, we need to clean them with the pre-cleaner and bonding agent. You can use some cotton wool or a cotton wool pad. Just wet the cotton wool with the pre-cleaner and bonding agent and rub in small circles around the area you wish to apply the polish. This cleaning and bonding agent prepares the leather to receive the Morello by taking away any imperfections, any oils, and also helps the polish to bond chemically with the leather. It's always best to apply this in a ventilated area. Once the toe cap is dry, it's now time to apply the polish using the brush applicator provided with the bottle. Try to keep the brush tip wet with Morello, and where possible try to keep all the strokes going in the same direction. The Morello should be applied in a dust-free and ventilated room. This first layer should not be applied too thick and should be allowed to dry for at least an hour after the first layer has been completed. I will speed this next segment up. So this is the second layer being applied, having left the shoe for an hour to dry. It's important not to try to apply too much Morello at one time. It might appear at this point that you find lines on the Morello, but these soon disappear as the Morello dries. It will dry into a flat, shiny surface. Try to keep the shoe or boot covered as it dries. You do not want dust to be on the toe cap as it's drying. Just now applying the finishing touches to this toe cap. This is now ready to dry. As you can see, the lines have flattened out significantly, and once left for an hour or two, these lines will completely disappear and you'll be left with a flat, shiny surface. This will now be set aside and covered to dry for at least 2 hours. Often we are asked about the longevity of the Morello paint once it's been applied to the shoe. This shoe has been used perhaps 15-16 times, and you can see that there are light scratches to the toe cap, but the toe cap is still sound and shiny. This toe cap is now completely dry. It's been allowed to dry for 2 hours and the results are quite amazing. If you want to try any of these products, visit us at the website in the link below the description. Thanks for watching.